Hello everyone and welcome to our new English lesson. Today's lesson is going to be about our cultural heritage. As you see here, all these pictures are taken from our beloved country. They belong to Morocco. Our cultural heritage in Arabic means موروثنا الثقافي. So by the end of this lesson, students will be able to learn vocabularies related to our cultural heritage and talk about Moroccan cultural heritage. So let's start. First, look at these pictures, and my question is, are these people still alive? It is obvious and clear that these people belong to the past, right? We can say that they are ancient people, or we can say they are our ancestors. Ancient in Arabic means قدامى, and ancestors means أسلافنا. We mean by ancestors people who lived a long time before us, from whom we are descended. Descended in Arabic means ينحدر منهم أصلنا. Great. Look at this picture here. What is it about? Yes, it is about cemetery. My question is, when people die, do they take what they have with them? Do they take their cars, their house, their money with them? No, they don't. These things go to their children. This is what we mean by legacy. Legacy in Arabic, al-irth. Let's go back to our previous pictures, and my question now is, what did these people leave for us? Let's look at each picture. For example, the first picture here. What is it about? Great. It is about maybe a musical band. It is about music. Maybe it's about Gnawa music. How about the second one? This picture. What is it about? Good. It is about food. How about this one? It is about clothes. And this one, as you see here, we can see flowers. Yeah, maybe it's about marriage. How about the last one? It is about fantasia. Fantasia, we can say تبوريدا in Arabic. Well done. So we can say that these people, our ancestors, left many things for us, right? Look at these pictures and try to guess what they have left for us. What do you see here? Great, it is about celebrations. Well done. So we didn't invent the way we celebrate things, but we inherited these things from our ancestors. We learned how to celebrate from our ancestors. This is learned from generation to generation. Next, it is about art. Next one. Here it is about monuments. Well done. Next. Yes, they left folklore. As you know, Morocco is a very rich country when talking about folklore. Next, yeah, it is about food. The way we cook, maybe our famous food, it is the things that we have inherited from our ancestors. Yeah, when we talk about Morocco, we talk about couscous, we talk about tangia, we talk about tagine, we talk about tea, etc., etc., etc. Now let's see to what extent you're good at knowing Morocco by describing these things that belong to our country. The first picture here, it is about Hassan Tower. It is in Rabat. Well done. Second picture, it is about Jem El Fna Square in Marrakesh. Next, this picture is about Hercules Cave. It is in Tangier. Well done. Next one, it is Hassan II Mosque, and it is in Casablanca. Well done. How about this one? It is Koutoubia. It is in Marrakesh. Next. Yes, it is Volubilis. It is near the city of Meknes. This one is about Tborida. It is Fantasia, horse riding. Here it is about Moroccan carpet. It's a traditional floor carpet. And here talking about food, a traditional or some traditional dishes. As you see here, we have rfisa, we have couscous, harira, and bastila. Great. Here we can say, it's about clothes, traditional clothes, and henna. Great. And we have many other things that present or talk about Moroccan culture. This is our culture. So, what is culture? This is difficult to define. When talking about culture, we talk about ways of life, we talk about traditions, about beliefs, language, values, behaviors, institutions, social practices and manners of interacting, arts, etc., etc. All these are passed down from generation to generation. We can say culture is the way of life for an entire society. As we said, culture is the way of life of a group of people, and it includes beliefs, good job, here, traditions, right, hello, marhaba, bonjour, etc. It's about language. Here, yes, society or values and social practices. Let's move now to talk about heritage. Heritage is simply all we have inherited from our ancestors over time. When talking about culture, we need to divide it into two parts, to material and non-material. Materials are objects that distinguish a group of people. For example, foods, clothes, architecture, jewelry, etc., etc. And non-material, it's simply a group's way of thinking and doing. Such as values in Arabic means al-qiyam, language, beliefs and religion, society or social practices, الممارسات والأنشطة الاجتماعية, and maybe music, and many other. Great. Now it is time to practice. These expressions represent different aspects of our cultural heritage. You classify them according to the following categories. We have historical monuments and architecture, المعالم التاريخية والهندسة المعمارية, food, clothing and customs, arts and crafts, crafts الحرف, geography and landscape, المناظر الطبيعية. Great. Here we have volubilis, walidi, couscous, wazis, bab mansour, menti, tagine, sand dunes, traditional wear, Hassan Tower, oranges, carpet making, fantasia or tborida, folklore, fish, seashores, pottery, ports, mountains, and minara. Great. So take 2 minutes or 3 to fill the chart, and then you can go back and check the correction. Here is the correction. Great. Now you have a homework to do. Which of the things above, the pictures and the table, can you find in your city? Thank you very much. That's all for today. See you next lesson, inshallah. Bye.